This is a brief introduction on how to use the functions of a J&M LC series SpeedTender. Turn on the Honda electric start motor and set it to full throttle. Unhook the ratchet strap. Retrieve the remote and power it on. Lift the conveyor hopper into place. Use your remote to swing the conveyor backwards and forwards. And up and down. Operate each of the hydraulic doors using the remote to dispense the seed. To put the conveyor in self-fill mode, make sure the conveyor hopper is down. Unlatch the ball from under the conveyor and rotate the conveyor so the discharge end rests over the tank. Use the kickstand to rest the conveyor on the ground. Use the remote to move the discharge spout between each half of the divided hopper. Once in position, use the remote to start and stop the conveyor. When finished, latch the conveyor into place and return the conveyor to the forward rest.